I finished installing the version of Unity I'm going to use, which took quite a while, by the way. It was 12 gigs and it took about an hour to install on my system. But now I'm ready to start a project. And if you don't have this window open, just open Unity Hub. And then I'm going to go into the project section and we can use new to start a new project. So we can click there. And then a few little things we're going to do here. First, you're going to choose a type of project here, and we're going to be using what I recommend is the Universal Render Pipeline, or URP. And just to explain that for a second, if you're planning on creating a 3D game with simple graphics, and you want it to be prepared to run on every device that Unity could be executed on, then the Universal Render Pipeline is the best choice for that. So make sure that one's selected. And then over on the right, you're going to choose a location and just give it a project name. So I think on mine, I'm just going to label this one testing project. And then you could place this in a variety of locations. It could be on my local computer, but I recommend that a better place to put it is to choose something like Dropbox or Google Drive so that you're storing it in the cloud already, just because you may be working on a game for a long period of time and you don't want to have a case where you're losing files or can't lose track of them or find them in a sense. So I'm going to just click here, the little three dots, to browse and show it where I want to store it. I set up a folder on Dropbox for myself for Unity project. So I'm going to place it there. So hit select folder. And then at this point, I'm ready to go. I've got the file name, the kind of render pipeline, you can call it. And then I've chosen a location. I'll hit create. And it can take a minute or so sometimes to initiate this first file. So you may have to wait a moment while it's building. Mine's been running for a couple minutes, but it's just normal that it's slow to develop the first project or a new project. I can see kind of a progress bar down there. So just be patient and like don't worry if it looks like sort of nothing's happening because it's normal that it's slow when you start up your first new project.